Welcome to Shipwreck Creek, a hidden gem in Mallacoota. As we stroll along the creek, we encounter friendly tourists who offer a cheerful wave. Ahead, notice how the sandbar has dammed the creek, creating a serene, dark pool. Watch closely as a gentle trickle breaks through, carving a path through the sand towards the ocean. We venture further to the south end of picturesque Shipwreck Beach, where striking rocks emerge from the sands. Panning around, the rugged cliffs come into view, topped with lush vegetation and marked by the remnants of past bushfires. Returning to the creek, we observe the water diligently sculpting a deeper channel into the landscape. It's midday now, and by mid-afternoon, this trench will have transformed significantly. Join me later as we return to capture the creek's ever-changing beauty. I will create a drone video of the scene.